Hello everybody, I'm getting my grow on. Look at there. Be back in a minute. Before we go out to the greenhouse and take a look, I want to show you what I got in here. These right here, uh, these are black brandies, and I've got to up pot them, put them in some bigger pots. And let's see, we got right here, these are Jackie's dad's Big John tomatoes. I got a whole bunch of them. I got Black Sea Man, and back there some more of the Brandywines and Cherokee Purples, and I think these are chili peppers. Yep. And over here I ain't got much, but got some what do they call them? Marigolds? Yeah, marigolds popping up, and them are purple flesh. Oh, I can't remember what them are. Hold on a second. There we go. Dragon fruit. Yeah, my daughter wanted some dragon fruit, and we ordered them. Didn't realize it's going to take 2 to 3, maybe 4 years before we get any fruit. But let's go out there, or let me go out in the garage, and I'll up pot these tomatoes, and right there. There we go. And I'll see y'all here in a minute. We're out of the garage, and my cups are empty. And now they're full. Ain't they pretty? I've got the tomatoes repotted. They're probably 3/4 away down in the cups, so hopefully they'll take root and make some big pretty plants. I kept these two because I'm going to do a little experiment. Since I'm going to have so many tomatoes, I'm going to go ahead and put these two out in the greenhouse. So let's head down to the greenhouse, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with them. Alright guys, we're down here at the greenhouse, and I'm going to plant one over here in this corner where I can tie it to that pipe, and one over this corner, and see if the tomatoes will grow in here without it getting too cold and the cold weather kills them or not. Don't know, but we'll see. You see I got my cabbage planted already. That's pretty. Yeah, they're doing good. They're doing real good. Well, let me get these planted, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, I got them planted. There's one pretty one right there, and one pretty one in this corner. Let's see if they'll grow. Give me your thoughts and and tell me if you think I planted them too early or not, because we've been getting a couple cold nights. All right, let me show you this right here. These right here are Brussels sprouts, Long Island Brussels sprouts. They're coming up looking pretty. I'm about to thin them out though. Let's see, the peppers hadn't popped their little heads out yet, and we've got some little bit of green going here. I'm not for sure what these are. These are my daughter's flowers, but they're popping out. And over here we've got some, what's these? Muncher cucumbers. They're popping little heads out. You can see down in there. Got a few of them popping out here and there. I don't think I got, well, got some little bit, let's see, what are these? Oh, these are little potato cucumbers. Got a couple of them that's trying to pop out. And let's see, got some marigolds that's popping their little heads out. All right, let me let me show you this. Right there, these are the radishes. I'm gonna start thinning them out just a little bit, and they're looking really good. And then over here, we got the Georgia collard greens, and they're popping their little heads out and waving hello. And I don't know if you can see them or not, but little bitty spinaches, and they're, let's see, I can read upside down, noble giant, or giant nobles, that's it. And they're popping their little heads out. Let's go walk over here. And we also got, what are these? Some type of lettuce. I don't know what type it is. And these, I don't know, here, get down close. Maybe you can see them. These are ruby red Swiss chard. All right, let me get turned around and I'll talk to you for a second. Alrighty guys, I got a pretty good start on my seedlings, I do believe. It's making me happy as heck when I see one of them pop out of the ground. I mean, like most of y'all know, or if you're growing anything with seeds, you know, when you first see them and you see the little head popping out and going, waving at you, going, hey, hello, daddy. It just makes me happy. All right, guys. Well, I appreciate y'all, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'm hoping to get some, so I got some more, I think, spinach and some more different types of lettuces and some cabbages to put in here. But I'm going to get busy doing that right there, and I will see y'all later. Y'all have a good one.